Hi teacher, tonight I'm going to show you my presentation of which career I choose for studying. I apologize if my pronunciation is not quite well, but I will improve, I promise. Okay, the career I choose for studying is mechatronic engineering, and this is why I choose it. Okay. The first question is what interests me about this. Why I have interest in this career? Well, since I was a kid, I always have been good disarming all kind of things like toys, or maybe even construction, building Legos. That sets of Legos of, I don't know, helicopter or plane, everything that my father gave me as a gift. Everything I always have been good at it. So I really enjoy that since I was a kid. When I have, I don't know, 7 years, one movie came out. Name it Transformers. That was the first movie that changed my mind, so the way I see the things, and I was hallucinating of that movie because it was something new for me, and my intention is been stalled by that movie. So then, like when I have 8 years, another movie came out that changed my life. Is Iron Man, the Iron Man movie, because I immediately want to be him. I want to become him. I want to be that kind of genius, millionaire also. So when I was a kid, I asked my mom and I told her that I want to be Iron Man, and she told me that she said that I should focus on the things that I'm good at it, and that inspired me to start seeking the things that I'm good doing, so I can start my life project, right? Okay. When I when I went to secondary school, I chose to study automobile mechanics, because I want to learn how to disarm a motor, how to change the oil of the motor, how to change a flat tire, and I learned a lot of things, and that things made me know a lot of new things. I really enjoy that. I enjoy all that times. So when I am in high school, I choose to study naval mechanics. Now naval in fucking boats. So I learned a lot of more things. I learned how to use the correct tools of everything, how to wear glasses, wear gloves, wear protection equipment. Also, I learned how to weld, how to work on teams. My group, with all my group. So while in internet, I was investigating on internet. I was looking for some new technologies. So I learned from integrated circuits and robotics, 3D printings, design, and so I take a decision to study mechatronics in high school. Okay, and there is some photos of me on the high school. The first one down is me inside of a boat. That's an engine boat. The other one is me learning how to weld. The other is using a cutter. And the last one, I disarmed a whole motor by myself with the help of my teachers. All right. So, but I really enjoy that time. The second question, no, this I added this another, sorry teacher, no sé cómo decirlo, another slice, sorry, another slice, that it seems that I like to take risks, because where I am from Rocky Point, Puerto Peñasco, and about me, the place where I live doesn't have this career in the town. Mechatronic engineer career is doesn't available. So what I do is to take risk, because I go to a new city for me, Mexicali, and I take risks. So the second thing is that I have never been good at maths. I never have been good at maths, and I decided to study engineer. So I was needed to up my level of knowledge to enter on university. So the third question, the third thing is my experience, because I have no experience like others at my age. Like in the high school, others at my age studying mechatronic and technique, but I have not that opportunity, because where I live doesn't have that career. And the fourth thing is that in my work, I have never been the best in the things I do, but that's not so well that bad. Life showed me that I will never be the best on the thing I do. Always is gonna be someone else more better than you, and it's not that bad. Okay, the second question is why I have been learning, because I am in sixth semester, so I have been learning since a while. So the things I've been learning are very useful. It's all kind of things of my mechanic and electronic, so like thermodynamics, calculus, analogic circuits, design by computer using programs, mechanisms, and material mechanics. Sorry, there I add some pictures, as you can see. So the third question is where I can go, when I can work once I have graduated. Well, in the industry, it has a lot of opportunities for engineers, like automatic control systems, because programmers are required to program, like for example a robotic arm in a factory to make some pieces that a human being is not that good at it. And the other thing is innovations, because technology industry has been growing and new innovation projects. It's not only for the actual technologies that, for example, the motors of the cars that today work is made on base of gasoline or diesel or carbon. So we can innovate in that kind of things, or we can innovate in another technologies like the electric motors cars technologies, because it's racing lately, has been racing. And so in this country, in Mexico, we discovered a lithium resources, so we can in the future we can work in that. So there's an opportunity for engineers. In robotics designs, new horizons can be reached beyond our limits by robotics, like Mars rovers in other planets. So it's exciting. In all the kind of things I can work, all the things I enjoy everything of that. Okay, the fourth question: which job position would you like to have? Well, I put two different job positions. The first one is the production line. I would like to work in the production worker on some kind of factory and cars or any kind. Not only cars. It can be anything. It can be planes. It can be trucks or bikes. I don't know, everything that I can apply my knowledge. It's gonna be fine. Then I can work in that position and maybe go up in rank and become a supervisor line or something like that. So some position more upper. So the other job position that I would like is an execute. I also would like to become an executive of an enterprise or maybe a startup or maybe in my own business. We never say never because everything it could happen, right? So that's my answer. The fifth question is how I will further develop once I graduated. So my work area where I am more interested or I would like to develop it more. Well, the field is my pronunciation of English because I'm very bad on it, so I need to improve. The other two things more important in my area so are the integration projects. I can work in projects of any kind when I can work in team, so I can contribute with my knowledge, my skills, and my hard work because I like to work a lot. So I have been working on these kind of projects before. I went to competitions. I have friends that are good at it, and they show me a lot of things. I have learned so much things that I can't explain right now. So the other thing, my other work area is design, because since I learned how to draw in computer, I really enjoy how the process has been of drawing on programs like SolidWorks, AutoCAD, that kind of programs. I have been good at it, and I would like to become a professional in that area. In these two areas, I think I have an opportunity in the future, so I would like to explore that. Okay, thank you. That was all of my part. I hope you like it and you understand me. Thank you so much. Have a nice holiday. Thank you.